Arijit, first question goes to you. Okay. Why are, okay, let me number the questions though. This is number 1. Why are you listening, Arijit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why are microorganisms considered harmful to us? Why are microorganisms considered harmful to us? Arijit, it's your turn. You can go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, microorganism can say as harmful because due to microorganisms, so many disease occurs.
Okay, so
Hello.
yes.
Like virus causing corona and chicken pox.
Okay, so they cause diseases, right?
Yes, sir.
They
They
cause
also,
diseases.
sir, they
Example.
also spoil the food.
Okay. So microorganism cause diseases. That's one. Number 2, you are saying that food spoilage. Food
Yes, sir.
spoilage. Food spoilage. That means they damage the food.
Damage, yes, sir. Damage the food.
Okay. Anyone with a better option? You are correct. Both of these are correct. Any other reason that they are considered dangerous? Shagnik, are you here?
Sir, antibiotic is a microorganism.
No.
Oh.
Shagnik, are you here? I can't see him. Any other reason? So they cause diseases like chicken pox, corona. Shagnik, can you hear?
Yes, sir. Now I
Okay.
can hear.
Okay. Very good. Shagnik, I was asking one question and Arijit answered. In fact, he was correct that why are microorganisms considered harmful to us? Arijit said that they cause diseases. He in fact named corona and chicken pox, and they also cause food spoilage. Is there any other point that you want to add, Shagnik, apart from these two?
Sorry, what was Origin's point?
Arijit's point was it causes diseases, example corona, chicken pox, and food spoilage. That means they are damaging the food. Any other thing you like to mention?
Hello, sir.
Yes, wait, let's Agni say. Yes, Aradhya, how are you?
Sir, we will
Yes. Sagnik, any other point?
write the answers.
Yes.
Sir, what Sagnik said?
Microorganism.
Sagnik has not yet told anything. Would like to say something,
Oh,
Sagnik?
I have.
Yes, Sagnik, go.
Microorganisms can kill our body.
Kill our body in other sense, that is disease only. What you can do, I'll just expand Orijit's number 1 answer. Orijit said something in number 1, that is it cause diseases. You should mention that diseases are caused in. You should mention the species also who are suffering in plants, comma, animals, and humans. Got it? Now I will ask. Yes.
Hello.
Rupanjan, can you hear me? Name 2 beneficial effects. Name two beneficial. You can also use the word useful. Useful effects of microorganisms. Rupanjan said the answer. Rupanjan, I'm waiting for your answer. Name two beneficial or useful effects of microorganisms. Why are they considered useful?
Sir, they are useful for making card.
Very good. Arijit, I'm coming to you.
Card and bread.
They are useful in curd making, rather. Curd also, I'll give you bread making. Bread making. Okay, Rupanjan, thanks for your answer. Arijit, I saw you put your hand up. Yeah, Arijit, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, the microorganism help to fix the nitrogen
Very
in
good point.
atmosphere.
Very good. Nitrogen fixation.
And sir, another also it used for making fertilizer, pesticide.
Can you give me an example in that case?
Urea.
Urea microorganisms make.
No, sir.
Then,
Sir, I don't know.
okay. So this point is automatically cancelled. But can I give this point? Sagnik, can you tell me one medical use of microorganism? Can you give me one medical use of microorganism? Arijit, wait, I'm coming. Sagnik, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Can you say something? Okay, let me ask Arijit. Go ahead.
No, sir,
Oh,
I
I can
don't
tell
know.
one.
Yeah, tell.
I can tell
Sagnik,
one.
tell me.
Certain microorganisms can be used in decomposing
My dear
wastes,
Sagnik,
organic wastes.
my dear Sagnik, the question was name one medical use of microorganism. Medical use.
It is used for making antibiotics.
Very good. Antibiotic. Medical use for antibiotic making. Can you name the antibiotic?
Penicillin.
Okay. Penicillin. And it is derived from a fungus. Okay. So, okay. Can I go to the next page? All of you, can I go to the next page?
Sir,
Yes,
no, sir. Sir,
Who is that?
what you written at the, sir, what you written at the last point? I
Last
can't
point.
see the word.
Okay. Medical use for antibiotic making.
Medical used for
Antibiotic
and
making.
it's a antibiotic.
Yes. I can go to the next page. Thank you. Today,
Yes.
I will be discussing with you some concepts about nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle. Okay. Have you heard of this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is
Yes.
in our book only.
Yeah, nitrogen cycle. So you have seen that in your book, it is present, the nitrogen cycle. I am asking Sagnik to answer first. Can you give me a brief idea of this nitrogen cycle? What this nitrogen cycle is all about?
Um, plant, plants. Nitrogen is necessary for all living things
Okay.
for their protein flow, for their but they can't take the nitrogen from the air directly. There are certain
Okay.
organisms, uh, microbes like rhizobium and blue green algae, which convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds, which can be taken up by plants.
Okay.
When the plant dies, the nitrogen compound which remains in the soil then the microorganism reacts on it, and
Okay.
some microorganism um, convert it again into an atmospheric nitrogen, and
Hmm.
and some convert it again to nitrogenous compound so that it can be again used by a new plant. This way, nitrogen cycle
Very good. Very good.
happens.
I'll give you 5 out of 5. 5 star I'll give you. Okay, so I am drawing the nitrogen cycle on the board, and you people are expected to copy as I am drawing, including the arrows in correct sequence. Do not make any sort of garbad, otherwise you people will have to suffer.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, yes,
Hello, sir.
yes.
Sir, you have given a question in the HW. Draw a diagram of bacteria.
Yes. Draw the diagram of a bacteria. You have to do that.
Okay, sir.
Now, as I am doing, do that.
Box.
Yes.
Oh, it's a table. You are going to make a table.
No, it's a box actually. I'm drawing the nitrogen cycle for you all.
I have to draw it.
Yes. There are 11 boxes in total. There are 11 boxes in total. Can all of you understand my handwriting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So plant protein.
Yeah, plant protein.
Animal protein.
Arjit, complete.
No, sir. Ammonia.
Arjit, you are playing guitar again.
No, sir.
Sir, complete.
Very good.
RIVER is reverse. Or micro MICRO organism. Great.
Be very careful when you are drawing the arrows. There are many arrows to be drawn. I will give the arrowheads later. First I am giving the arrows. Stop whistling. Everyone finished? Now I am drawing the arrowheads.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 1 minute.
1 minute.
Make the arrowheads properly. This is denitrifying bacteria. I am writing denitrifying bacteria. I wrote denitrifying bacteria. And this is nitrifying bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria. Another one. And this nitrosifying bacteria. Fying, Fying bacteria. I hope all of you have finished taking it down. Can I go to the
No,
next
sir.
page?
I'm writing.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
I'm giving you 2 more minutes time. Thank you, Nausin. I'm giving you 2 more minutes time. Hurry up.
What do you write? Nitrifixing.
Nitrifying, nitrifying, and this denitrifying. Sakleen, tell me. Sakleen, you are unmuted. Tell me. You have raised your hand. What do you want to?
Sir, only for unmute.
Okay. Like to say anything?
No,
Okay, okay.
complete.
Okay. Orijit, did you finish?
No, sir. No, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay,
What
hello,
is this
hello.
NRP?
See, I'm telling you once again. Listen carefully. Below nitrogen, you can see denitrifying bacteria. Okay. Beside nitrate, it is nitrifying, and beside nitrite, it is nitrosifying bacteria. This is how it reads. Nitrosifying. It's SI. Nitrosifying bacteria.
Okay, sir.
Finished, everybody?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Sagnik, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you have done. So this is the nitrogen cycle, because today only I will post 2 questions on nitrogen cycle in your homework. So just to describe you, I am muting all, just to describe you. See, you have to mention that the atmosphere contains 78 to 79% of nitrogen by volume. This you have to mention. Now this amount of nitrogen remains constant. And this is how it remains constant, because see, the atmosphere contains nitrogen which are taken by the microorganism that you can see here. And on the other aspect, we can see that the nitrogen is being converted to nitrate by lightning and rain. So nitrogen is being taken mainly by the microorganisms, which convert into ammonia, convert to nitrite, convert to nitrate. So microorganisms are responsible for the conversion of nitrogen to ammonia, which is NH3, nitrite, which is NO2 minus, nitrate, which is NO3 minus. These are the 3 conversions which are made by the microorganisms to nitrogen. Okay. Now, here also during lightning, nitrogen gets converted. How? Because during lightning, this is the first equation, N2 plus O2 will give you 2NO. The next step will be NO, 2NO plus O2. It should be plus O2 will give you 2NO2. And next, if this NO2 gets converted with H2O, you are getting HNO3, that is nitric acid. So that is why we are getting nitrate, which is NO3 minus. So after nitrogen is converted by the microorganisms and by lightning to nitrate, this nitrate will be taken in by the plants. Okay. Now in the plant, this will be getting, settled. And when we are eating the plant products, this protein will come to us. Okay. Because you can see here animal protein. This plant protein gets into animals as animal protein. Even we are also animals. And this plant protein can also go into dead organic residues. Okay. Now after that, what will happen? Microorganisms, as we all have seen, will convert nitrogen to ammonia, nitrite and nitrate. This nitrate will come to the river through runoff. What is runoff? Means maybe in the agricultural field, maybe in the industry, when nitrates are released, they come to the water bodies. Understood all of you? I am unmuting all. All of you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
what you written H2O?
H2O, water. So can I stop screen sharing?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Sir, wait.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
It's completed.
Yes, this is completed.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Can I